Finding the right eye serum to combat dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines can be challenging with so many options available. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 eye serums that promise visible results. Whether you need extra hydration, brightening, or anti-aging benefits, these serums are formulated to target your specific eye care concerns. Let's dive in and help you discover the perfect solution for your delicate under-eye area. Kicking off our list at number 1, Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye is a powerhouse when it comes to nighttime repair. Specially designed to address multiple eye concerns, it works overnight to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. With its unique Chronolic CB technology, this eye serum supports the skin's natural nighttime repair process, allowing you to wake up with visibly rejuvenated skin. Ideal for anyone looking for a comprehensive solution to under-eye issues, this product is a must-try. Key features. This eye serum features Estée Lauder's exclusive Chronolic CB technology, which helps to improve skin's natural repair process while you sleep. The formula is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental stressors and visibly firm the skin over time. It also includes ingredients such as hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and peptides that help promote collagen production for smoother, firmer skin. Benefits and usage. The Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum effectively targets dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. By working overnight, it allows the skin to restore itself while you rest, delivering brighter, more refreshed eyes by morning. Apply a small amount of the serum around the under-eye area every night to allow the skin to absorb the rich ingredients and repair itself. Usability. This product has a lightweight, non-greasy formula that glides smoothly under the eyes, making it easy to apply and absorb. The pump dispenser ensures hygienic usage and allows for precise application, meaning a little product goes a long way. It's gentle enough for daily use and doesn't cause irritation, even for sensitive skin around the eyes. Durability. One of the main advantages of the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye is its long-lasting effects. Consistent use for a few weeks will show noticeable improvements in skin texture, brightness, and puffiness. The formula is designed to deliver visible results with continued use, making it a solid investment for long-term eye care. In the second spot, we have Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. Ole Henriksen's Truth Serum is an award-winning product known for its powerful vitamin C infusion. It is specifically formulated to brighten the skin around the eyes and tackle signs of aging such as dark circles and fine lines. This potent serum delivers an instant glow while working to improve skin tone over time, making it a popular choice for those who want both brightening and anti-aging benefits. Key features. The Truth Serum contains a high concentration of vitamin C, known for its brightening properties and ability to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. It also includes collagen-boosting ingredients like aloe vera and green tea extract, which work together to firm the skin, improving its elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. The lightweight formula makes it easy to layer with other skincare products. Benefits and usage. This eye serum targets the key concerns of dullness and aging skin around the eyes. Vitamin C helps to even out skin tone and reduce the look of dark circles, while collagen-boosting ingredients improve skin texture and firmness. To use, apply a small amount to the under-eye area and gently tap in until fully absorbed. It can be used both day and night, under makeup or alone. Usability. The serum has a refreshing citrus scent and a lightweight, fast-absorbing texture that doesn't leave any residue behind. It layers well with other products, making it suitable for a multi-step skincare routine. Despite its potency, the serum is gentle on the skin and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin around the eyes. Durability. Ole Henriksen Truth Serum is known for its long-lasting effects. Over time, regular use will visibly brighten the under-eye area and improve overall skin tone. Many users report a noticeable improvement in skin texture and firmness after just a few weeks of use, making this a reliable addition to any skincare routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Shiseido Benefiance. The Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream is a luxurious eye cream designed to target signs of aging. This eye serum uses Shiseido's advanced Wrinkle Resist 24 technology, which works to minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness. Perfect for those looking for an anti-aging eye product that also addresses dryness and skin texture, this serum is a premium option in the skincare market. Key features. This serum features Shiseido's exclusive Wrinkle Resist 24 technology, which works to reduce the formation of wrinkles and smooth the skin over time. The formula is infused with chlorella extract, which helps to restore hydration and strengthen the skin's protective barrier. It also contains a combination of advanced peptides and antioxidants that firm the skin and combat environmental stressors. Benefits and usage. The main benefits of the Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Eye Contour Cream are its ability to fight signs of aging, particularly around the eyes. It deeply hydrates the skin, making it ideal for dry skin types while also reducing puffiness and dark circles. To use, apply a small amount to the under eye area and gently massage in the product. For best results, use both morning and night. Usability. The cream has a rich, emollient texture that feels soothing on the skin. It doesn't leave a greasy residue and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering with other skincare products. The packaging comes in a jar, which is easy to use but requires extra care to ensure that the product remains hygienic. This eye cream is best for those with dry to normal skin. Durability. Over time, the Shiseido Benefiance Eye Contour Cream significantly improves the skin's elasticity, reduces fine lines, and helps restore a more youthful appearance. With continuous use, it maintains moisture levels and provides long-term anti-aging benefits, making it a great addition to your skincare routine. Taking our fourth spot is Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Eye Serum. The Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Eye Serum is a multitasking serum designed to target dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. With a potent blend of vitamin C and collagen amino acids, this serum is focused on brightening and firming the delicate skin around the eyes. It's an excellent choice for individuals looking for a powerful anti-aging eye serum with visible results. Key features. Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Eye Serum contains a high concentration of vitamin C, a powerhouse ingredient known for its brightening and antioxidant properties. It also features collagen amino acids, which help to firm and plump the skin around the eyes. The formula is free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it a gentle yet effective option for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. This eye serum targets three main issues: dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. The vitamin C brightens the under eye area, while collagen amino acids firm and smooth the skin. To use, gently apply a small amount of the serum under your eyes and tap it in until absorbed. It can be used both day and night as part of your daily skincare regimen. Usability. The C+ Collagen Eye Serum has a lightweight, fast-absorbing texture that feels refreshing on the skin. It is suitable for all skin types and works well under makeup, making it perfect for both morning and evening use. The serum is gentle and non-irritating, which is ideal for those with sensitive under-eye skin. Durability. With consistent use, this eye serum offers long-lasting results. It significantly brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness, and smooths fine lines over time. The lightweight formula ensures it remains effective without weighing down the skin or causing irritation. Regular use can result in firmer, more youthful-looking eyes. And finally, at number 5, we have the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. The Ordinary Caffeine Solution is a budget-friendly yet effective option for those looking to reduce puffiness and dark circles. With a high concentration of caffeine and EGCG, this serum is designed to target under-eye puffiness and improve the appearance of tired eyes. It's a go-to for people seeking an affordable, high-quality product for eye care. Key features. This eye serum contains a 5% concentration of caffeine, which helps to reduce the appearance of puffiness by constricting blood vessels. The addition of EGCG, an antioxidant derived from green tea, helps protect the delicate skin around the eyes while soothing and reducing inflammation. The formula is lightweight and free from parabens, sulfates, and other harmful chemicals. Benefits and usage. The main benefits of the Ordinary Caffeine Solution are its ability to reduce puffiness and dark circles. It targets the root cause of puffiness, fluid retention, and improves blood circulation. To use, apply a small amount of the serum to the under-eye area, gently massaging it in until fully absorbed. It's ideal for use in the morning but can be used at night as well. Usability. The serum has a watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and is easy to incorporate into your daily skincare routine. The dropper packaging ensures precise application, and the formula is gentle enough for daily use. Durability. Over time, The caffeine solution helps to minimize puffiness and dark circles, offering noticeable improvements within a few weeks of consistent use. The serum is an affordable option with lasting results, making it a reliable product in the long run. That wraps up our review of the best eye serums for tackling puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Whether you're after a brightening boost, anti-aging properties, or just some soothing relief for tired eyes, these products have you covered. I hope this guide helps you find the right serum to meet your skincare needs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which one you're excited to try. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.